Hey class, my name is Diane Richards and I am videoing in from Lancaster, Pennsylvania. Um, my experience with learning research is mostly informal. I really love to research the things that I'm learning and that I'm passionate about. So um, I do that all the time. I'm always kind of following my nose into down a path of typically something to do with somatic work. Like I study trauma sensitive mindfulness and things like that. So I tend to sort of go on a deep dive in subjects and researching subjects when I come across something that I am curious about and want to know more about. So um, that's sort of the extent of my experience learning research. Um, and for this class, I think one way to make it fun would be, well, for me, audiobooks and like audio formats have been a way for me to sort of uh, digest research in a little bit of an easier way. I'm kind of a kinesthetic learner, so it's hard for me to just read things to be able to process them. I know with research and statistics and data analysis, that's not always possible, but I've even started reading articles aloud to myself and then listening to them when I'm in the car or something, just so that I have another way of processing dense material. So I know that in an online format, we'll get access to some of that through podcasts and lectures and things like that that are recorded. And lastly, looking forward through the syllabus, I'm excited to learn about how to replicate studies. I think for some of the work that I want to do, it's more of a mind-body approach to therapy. So I feel excited about being able to make that process, to be able to offer it to others and make it um, possible to duplicate, because I don't want mind-body awareness to be a mystery for clients or for other therapists, so or social workers. So that's all. Thanks so much.